If you feel anxious, overwhelmed, or like your body is stuck in fight or flight mode, what I'm about to show you can literally switch off that stress response in under just 2 minutes. It has been used for thousands of years in our yogic world. Science is just now catching up though. Hi, this is Meghlata from Self Healing Mastery with Meghlata. If you keep coming to this channel but not yet subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Here is what's happening. Your heart is racing for no reason. Your mind won't stop spinning. You feel that tightness in your chest. Your breathing is shallow and you feel that constant tension in your shoulders. You have tried deep breathing, you have tried meditation, but nothing seems to turn off that alarm system inside your body. The reason? Your vagus nerve is stuck in danger mode. This nerve is like a highway between your brain and your body, and when it is not functioning properly, your entire nervous system stays in stress overdrive. The good news is you can activate it instantly, and it's shockingly simple. Now, let us understand this vagus nerve a little bit. The vagus nerve is the longest nerve in your body. It runs from your brain through your throat, your heart, your lungs, and your digestive system. Think of it as your body's calm down switch. When it is activated, it lowers your heart rate, it deepens your breathing, it relaxes your muscles, and it calms your racing thoughts, and also it improves your digestion. In ancient yogic traditions, this area, your throat, your voice, and your breath, has always been seen as the center of self expression and inner peace. They called it the Vishuddha Chakra or the throat chakra. They knew thousands of years ago what science is proving now. Activating this area heals your entire nervous system. When your vagus nerve is underactive, which generally happens from chronic stress, trauma, or suppressing your voice. When you live in constant anxiety, your body literally cannot relax. You might be having low vagal tone if you are experiencing chronic anxiety or panic attacks, or if you are having any digestive issues. If you experience bloating in the stomach, IBS, constipation, difficulty in calming down after an episode of stress, racing heart, inflammation, frequent inflammation, then autoimmune issues, all these are symptoms that indicate that your vagus nerve is weak. Is it even possible to fix this by ourselves? Let's see. I'm going to share 5 simple techniques which you can use immediately, and I want you to try at least one while watching this video. Okay? The first technique is the humming technique. Let's do it together. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. As you exhale, chant hum, low and long. Hum. When you're chanting, feel the vibration in your throat and your chest area. Do this minimum 5 times. The vibration directly stimulates the vagus nerve. Yogis have used Om chanting for this exact reason for centuries. It's not just spiritual, it's also neurological, right? Second technique is dial reflex. You can splash cold water on your face, or you can hold a cold compress on your forehead and cheeks for about 30 seconds. When you do this, your body thinks you are diving underwater and immediately it activates the vagus nerve to slow your heart rate. It's an instant reset. Okay, if you are having a panic attack, this works faster than any breathing technique. Try this. And the third technique is slow, deep belly breathing we are going to do. Place one hand on your chest, one hand on your belly. Breathe in for 4 counts. When you are breathing in, the belly should come out, not your chest. After breathing in, hold it for 4 seconds and then exhale for 6 counts. It's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The longer exhale is the key. When you exhale longer, it signals safety to your nervous system. The fourth technique is very simple. It's a gargling technique. Yes, seriously, it's such a simple but very powerful technique. Gargle water vigorously for 30 seconds. Keep in your mouth, gargle for 30 seconds. When you're doing the gargling, the muscles in the back of your throat, it activates the vagus nerve. Do this twice a day, morning and night. It's such a simple technique. It also helps in cleaning your dentures. Okay. Then fifth technique is you can sing. You can chant for 5 minutes every day. When you do this, your vagus nerve is activated. So when you use your voice for singing, chanting, or laughing, laughing out loud is another very good exercise for your vagus nerve. When you suppress your voice, when you don't say what you really feel, and when you hold back your words, you literally deactivate this nerve. So speak, sing. So speak, sing in the shower, journal out loud. When you're writing, say it out loud. Your nervous system is listening. Okay? When you block your self expression, you block your body's ability to feel safe. And anxiety is not just in your head, it's trapped in your throat, in your chest, in your voice that never gets heard. Okay? Healing your nervous system is not just about techniques, it's about reclaiming your right to speak and your right to be seen. Your body will relax when it knows it's safe to be authentic. So, here is your challenge. Pick one of these techniques and do it right now. Hum 5 times you can do, splash cold water. It doesn't take much of your time. You can splash water on your face, gargle, or sing. And notice how your body responds. Your vagus nerve is waiting to help you. You just have to activate it. If this information had helped you, share this video to someone who is struggling with anxiety and subscribe for more such contents. You deserve to feel calm. You deserve to feel safe in your own body. Let's make this happen together. Like if this helped you. I request you to subscribe for this channel. Share it with someone who needs this. I'll see you soon in another video. Till then, this is Meghlata signing off with loads of love and tons of good wishes for your healthy, active vagus nerve.